Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a what's in the box on Pentair's Rainbow Vac-Mate. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you guys what comes included. All right guys, and we're back. So again, I'm going to go over Pentair's Rainbow Vac-Mate today, kind of open this up, kind of go over some quick things about the actual Vac-Mate itself, and just show you guys what comes included in the box. So the Vac-Mates are really important for those older style pools that don't actually have a dedicated suction line on the side of the pool. So this is another option where you're actually able to put this into your skimmer and use this to attach a suction cleaner to. So if you know that you only have power coming to and from your skimmer, you don't have the dedicated line, you do need some sort of Vac-Mate. Now, Pentair's Vac-Mate does not work with every skimmer out there, so we'll actually put some links down in the description to show you guys like actually the skimmers that it works with, but it does work across other manufacturers as well. So make sure you guys verify that before you guys pick this up. But the whole purpose of this item, again, to allow you guys to hook up that suction cleaner, the nice part that I like about it is that it actually still skims the pool. So I'll open it up and kind of explain that to you guys as it goes here. So we got some knife. They taped it up in here nice, which is cool. So get this out. I'll show you guys here. So here is the entire Vac-Mate. Let me get rid of the other little extracurriculars they give you. We'll go over this. So as you can tell, it's got the full skimmer basket on the bottom, which is really nice. Again, the weir door up here will actually allow the pool to still skim while you are still connected on the side to the actual vac hose to allow that vacuum to work. There are full instructions on the actual box, kind of walk you guys through all the other little things that you need in order to get this thing set up. There are fine tuning of having to take the bottom off here, which I will because there's other items in here. Awesome. So I'd say the one downfall is that when you do have to empty your skimmer basket, you can't just reach down into your skimmer, pull out the basket, go empty it. You do have to take this entire assembly out and take that bottom screw nut off. So then that way it'll actually release the top part of the vac and then allow you to get access into the skimmer itself. So looks like they do give you two different plugs. So if you do have like a dual action skimmer, you want to make sure you plug off one end. Again, they do give you full instructions here. The manual's down in the basket. So it'll give you the full install guide, how to actually hook up the pressure gauge to understand what kind of suction you're getting at the actual Vac-Mate itself, as well as they provide you with some other elbows and pieces that just help that vac hose work properly with whatever you guys got going on. So again, the outside of the box has it. We'll have them down in the description for you guys on all the other skimmers that it works with, because it's not universal, so you do need to understand that. And then they do give you like a little O-ring here to help seal for everything. So it's really nice, especially for those older style pools. Saves you that option of having to fully remodel the pool and actually, add a suction line to it, because that's not a cheap process. So it's really cool that they came out with these. I know that a few of the other manufacturers have their own style, but like I said, this one's universal across all the other manufacturers. So if I can get this thing to actually screw on. Perfect. That back. Awesome. So again, the instructions are going to walk you guys through how to fully set it up. I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew what comes included. It does give you a pressure gauge here. I'll take this out for you guys so you can see it's a back mount pressure gauge. So I'll actually sit up here on top. So then that way, once you actually lift up your skimmer lid, you guys can see the direct pressure. You will have to make some adjustments at your valves, at your equipment, maybe turn the pump up based off of what you guys need in terms of the type of cleaner that you guys are putting in there, because there's all different types of suction cleaners, as you guys could have told, as you've seen from all my other videos of, there's agitators, there's gear driven, there's full robotic style where they actually have a purpose in the pool. So you guys want to make sure that you follow those instructions in tandem with this, just to make sure that everything works properly. But again, they give you everything that you need to adapt to that old skimmer and get you guys hooked up to a nice suction cleaner. So then that way you guys don't have to be out there skimming and brushing the pool every day, even though you still should. But it does give you an option to actually hook that up and still get the skimming action from your skimmer rather than running the actual hose directly down into the bottom of the skimmer. So just want to show you guys what comes included. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have some more videos on installing and showing you guys how these things work in action. So until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.